Hello, today I show you how to download and install Schneider OPC software. It's called OPC Factory Service. You can go to Schneider website to download this software. It's including large size, small size, and demo. I just download demo. Every time you can use 2 hours. I download already. Let's start how to install. I download OFS version 3.62. Okay. Click. Next. Okay. Install is simple. Okay. Communication driver. OPC remote OPCDA. So remote. I don't download this one. Okay. That's it. Next. That's it. Okay. It's fast. This software very small. So we can go to here, check Schneider software. Here, configuration. Factory service. Yeah. So OPC factory service. You can see here it's working and not working. So it's OPC configure tools. Here you can create a new one, for example test. Then here device address, you can here use TCP/IP. In the future, I just show you how to communication with Schneider Unity Pro Excel. Just TCP/IP in here, okay. And after that, go to OFS connect here. Okay. Oh, we should connect here. We have okay. We need a Schneider Alt OFS connect here. Yeah. So new one, group 1. In here we communication add this one. It's here. If you create the PLC software is online, here just show it. Okay, next video I just show you how to communication. It's very powerful, this OFS. Okay, thank you very much.